Hello everyone, and welcome to this special video on Valentine's Day. Today, we'll be exploring the history and significance behind this special occasion that has become so important to so many people around the world. Whether you're single, in a relationship, or somewhere in between, Valentine's Day is a time to celebrate love and affection, and we're going to find out why. The origins of Valentine's Day are somewhat shrouded in mystery. There are several legends and myths that have been passed down through the centuries, but the most widely accepted story is that of Saint Valentine, a Roman priest who lived during the 3rd century. Saint Valentine was imprisoned for his Christian beliefs and became known for performing secret marriages for young couples who were forbidden to wed by the Roman emperor at the time. It's said that Saint Valentine was eventually executed for his actions, and he became a symbol of love and sacrifice. Another theory is that Valentine's Day was originally a pagan festival celebrated by the ancient Romans in mid-February to celebrate the coming of spring. It was called Lupercalia, and it involved sacrifices of goats and dogs, as well as the exchange of love notes between couples. When the Romans adopted Christianity, the festival was renamed in honor of Saint Valentine, and the focus shifted to the celebration of love and affection. Over the centuries, Valentine's Day has undergone several changes and transformations. In the Middle Ages, it became a time to exchange poems and love letters, and the tradition of sending Valentine's cards started to become popular. By the 14th century, the custom of sending anonymous love notes had become widespread, and many people started to send Valentine's cards to the people they admired. During the Renaissance, the celebration of Valentine's Day became more elaborate, with lavish parties and dances being held in honor of the occasion. This was also the time when the custom of giving gifts, such as chocolates and flowers, started to become popular. In the 19th century, Valentine's Day became even more widespread and commercial, with the introduction of mass-produced cards and gifts. Today, Valentine's Day is celebrated in many countries around the world, with people giving gifts, sending cards, and expressing their love and affection for one another. So, why do we celebrate Valentine's Day? At its core, Valentine's Day is a celebration of love and affection. It's a time to show the people we care about how much they mean to us, and to express our gratitude for the love and support they provide. Whether we're in a romantic relationship or not, Valentine's Day is a time to celebrate all forms of love, including the love we have for our friends, family, and even ourselves. Valentine's Day is also a time to reflect on the power and importance of love in our lives. Love has the power to heal, to bring people together, and to create a sense of happiness and fulfillment. It's a force that has the ability to change the world, and that's why it's so important to celebrate it every year on February 14th. So, how can we celebrate Valentine's Day in our own unique way? Well, the options are endless. You could send a Valentine's card, give a gift, or take your loved one out for a special meal. You could also plan a surprise romantic gesture, like a picnic in the park or a weekend getaway. For those who prefer something more low-key, you could spend some quality time together, watching a movie, cooking a meal, or simply enjoying each other's company. And for those who are single, Valentine's Day is still a great time to celebrate love and affection. You can show love to your friends, family, and even yourself by treating yourself to something special, like a spa day or a shopping spree. You can also volunteer or give back to your community, spreading love and positivity to those around you. No matter how you choose to celebrate, the most important thing is to remember that love is what makes the world a better place. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the people we care about, and to show them how much they mean to us this Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching this special video on Valentine's Day. I hope you learned something new, and that you have a wonderful time celebrating this special occasion. Until next time, take care and keep spreading love and positivity in the world.